hello.
Have you had a busy day?
Oh, I should say so. I'm looking forward to my supper and a good rest. Anyway, must be going. Haven't finished yet. Good night.
Night, Percy.
Hello, Fox. Lovely evening, isn't it?
Hello. Sorry, Percy.
Oh, dear. That's a nasty case of hiccups, isn't it?
Yes, I know. You see, I was drinking lemonade when a squirrel told me a joke. I couldn't stop laughing.
You shouldn't drink and laugh at the same time, you know.
It was such a funny joke, though, Percy. There was this worm, and it lived in a cricket bat. Or was it the parrot? No, it was the worm, I think.
Good night, Fox. I hope your hiccups are gone by the morning.
So do I. Good night. I wish I could get rid of these ups. I might have them for days or weeks, maybe even years. Oh dear. Oh, I wonder if Percy knows a good cure for ups. I think I'll ask him.
There's always something to do. I've still got to water the plants.
It's getting rather dark. Still, I'll soon be at Percy's hut. Oh, it's just a mole. Yes, that's it. It must be a mole, or a hedgehog, or maybe even hello. I'm just off to see my friend, Percy. Hiccups, you see. So, you won't mind if I don't stop and chat? Yes, sorry. Still, it was nice meeting you.
Soon be finished. There. Have a good drink. Oh, I've got to get my washing in too. And it's 2 boiled eggs for me and a pile of toast soldiers. Should be enough. Come on then, who's next?
Percy, where are you? Oh!
What on earth is that? never seen a ghost before. I should really say something, but what? Hello, ghost? Oh, what about... Good evening, ghost. My name's Percy. Welcome to the park. No. I'd recognise that sound anywhere. Do you need any help, Mr. Ghost?
Yes, please. Could you possibly turn me the right way up?
Of course. Mr. Ghost, hold still. I'll grab your legs.
Thanks, Percy. Oops. Sorry, Percy.
You gave me quite a shock.
I think I gave myself one, Percy, but it seems to have cured my hiccups.
So what was this joke, then? The one that made you laugh so much?
Oh, Percy, it was so funny. There was this worm, and he lived in a cricket bat. Anyway...
I don't think it's a good idea to drink milk whilst you're laughing.
One day... Oh, Percy.
Oh, dear. Well, I did warn you.